You got some ripe bananas? Let's make banana bread blondies. First step, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients for our banana bread blondies. I got cinnamon, baking soda, salt, and flour. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes, our batter. So I have some melted butter here. I have 10 tablespoons, brown sugar, ooh, splash, and some maple syrup for flavor, but also as a different sweetener. So we're gonna mix this together until it becomes a little light, pale brown color. Next thing we wanna add in is our egg yolk, along with the vanilla. Give it a good mix. We put our bananas in. Nice ripe bananas. I like to save mine in the freezer, and a little frozen flecks falling off. And bloop, to banana. Now I need to toast up my walnuts. Okay, our walnuts are toasted. We are about to fold in all the rest of our ingredients. Your toasted walnuts. Now, would I ever add walnuts to a banana bread? Hell no. But to a banana bread blondie, that's different. It's like a cookie then. Let's prepare our pan. Little cooking spray. And we're gonna set a piece of pre-cut parchment, and I'm just gonna cut the corners. Gently set that in. These side corners just wrap right around those cuts. I'm gonna cut off the excess. Perfect little parchment round for us. We're gonna take our blondie batter, put it right in here. You can see the pieces of banana, the wonderful toasted walnuts, and that's it. We're gonna throw this in the oven at 350 degrees until a toothpick in the center comes out nice and clean and it's nice and golden. Our blondies are in the oven. Let's make the glaze. So a little bit of cream cheese, powdered sugar, a cup, and a little vanilla, and just a pinch of cinnamon. And now whisk. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Now, let's take our cream cheese glaze. Okay, our banana bread blondies are frosted. They are sliced. They are looking absolutely delicious. I'm gonna try a corner because I am a corner gal. Slide this off. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Let's look at the crumb. Oh, here we go. The walnuts are amazing. It's so banana bready. Oh, it's so good. You gotta try this. You got to try this.